Hello everybody, it's Greg with Splashes. Today we're showing off XPEL paint protection film. So this is our Ultimate Plus film. This is what we've put on all of our cars and what we do on all of our cars for paint protection film. So we put a little square on one of our own vehicles, and just to prove its self-healing capabilities, we're going to go ahead and take this golf brush, which is a metal hard brush, and we're going to go and scratch it up and show you how it actually heals itself. Let's go take a look. Alrighty, so this is our golf brush, and this is our car. You can see the square of XPEL film that we've applied here, and we're going to go ahead and scratch it up. So there you have it, the magic self-healing properties of XPEL. The great thing is, we showed you that with a heat gun, but you don't actually need a heat gun for that to happen. You can actually heal your XPEL film with the magic of the sun. The sun will provide enough heat that it heals itself as you're driving, so you don't need to worry about it at all. We actually protect XPEL with a 7-year paint fade warranty as well, so if there's any problems with the film, you take it to us, we'll reinstall it, we'll make sure that you're happy. Alright, so one of the most common questions that we get from customers about XPEL paint protection film is what parts of my vehicle should I actually get wrapped? And there's a few different packages available to you. The most common is the partial front end. So what we do with the partial front end is we'll get your headlights, we'll get the grille, pretty much the entire front of the vehicle up to about here. And basically what that'll do, it protects the highest wear areas of your vehicle. So that's where all the rocks are flying up, you get cracked headlights from that, the XPEL will protect all of that. You do see a very faint line where the XPEL finishes, right about in the middle of your hood. But as you saw in the previous part of the video, that line is pretty faint, you don't really see it. However, you want better protection for the front of your vehicle, and if you don't want to see that line, you should get the full front end. And what we do with the full front end is we actually tuck the XPEL film under all of the panels, so under the hood, behind the fender here, and you don't see any lines, and the XPEL film is pretty much undetectable unless you actually touch the vehicle. It has a high gloss finish, so your vehicle's paint looks pretty much exactly as it does when it rolls off the dealership line. You also, of course, have the option of wrapping the entire vehicle, which is complete protection. So the other question we often get is, when should I get XPEL on my vehicle? And of course, the best course of action is to get it when you first purchase the vehicle, because the paint is brand new and the film will sit on very flush. The other option is to get a new paint job and then get XPEL. That'll be the best option to protect your brand new paint, because again, if with the paint brand new, the XPEL film will sit very flush on the vehicle. If you have some chips and scratches and some marks on the vehicle, the film might not sit correctly on the vehicle. It might bubble up, or it might not look as nice. So there are some things we can do, like paint correction, and a good detail, a good buff of the vehicle can fix that. So no matter the case, inquire with us. There might be something we can do to make XPEL work for your vehicle. Definitely give us a call. We're located here in the Surrey Auto Mall. You can check us out at splashes.ca. Call, email, come visit, and we will help you with all your XPEL needs.